Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to access Clock app. Then select Alarm section at the top on the left. And before creating your new alarm, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings and adjust all of the available ones under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you're done, go back. And to create your new alarm, hit this plus icon at the bottom. Then set up an hour and click on OK at the bottom right corner. Now you can adjust your alarm however you want to. You can tap on Add Label at the top, type in whatever you want to, and hit OK in the pop-up. Select Days of the Week by clicking on the chosen ones. Tap on this little icon next to Pause Alarm to exclude any date you want, and even add it or remove it from Google Assistant routine thanks to this plus next to it. When you're done, manage vibrations thanks to the same icon, and then click on Little Bell. Now you can download one of those available sources or hit Dismiss. Now in Alarm Sound section, you can pick the perfect sound for your new alarm by hitting on YouTube Music at the top. You can log in to your account and use music from it. You can also click on Sounds, tap on Record New at the top, hit Get Started at the bottom right corner, and record wherever you wish to. When you are finished, go back after selecting Save at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on this recording to set it up. If you wish to, you can also click on Add New under your sounds and pick any song from your device by clicking on it and going back. If you wish to, you can even tap on one of those available sounds to set it up. I will go with Bright Morning, so when I click and go back, I can see that all of my options were successfully adjusted. If you want to disable your alarm completely, click on the blue sweater next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. To hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner and then click on the same one to make them visible. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, hit delete at the bottom left corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!